Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 17 Ultra and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings. Right here we have to scroll down and find the option Security and Privacy. Then let's scroll down to the very bottom to find the option More Security and Privacy. Then scroll down and go to Encryption and Credentials. So here, almost at the very bottom of the list, we've got the option we're looking for, so Clear Credentials. Let's simply tap on it and confirm it by tapping on OK. If you've got any kind of screen lock, your device will ask you to enter it to confirm the whole step, so simply do it. No worries, it's safe. And as you can see, not only we've got this information, but also this option is inactive, which means that we just successfully removed all saved certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.